celebration of World Oceans Day, we joined forces with DUBAI REEF to host schools from across Dubai at the Lost World Aquarium, where students will take part in a week of interactive activities exploring marine life, conservation, and the vital role healthy oceans play in our future. In collaboration with DUBAI REEF, students will participate in interactive activities designed to deepen their understanding of ocean ecosystems, marine biodiversity, and the importance of protecting our blue planet. Through hands-on learning and inspiring discussions, they explored how innovative initiatives such as DUBAI REEF are helping to create thriving marine habitats and support the future health of our oceans. At Atlantis Dubai, we believe that inspiring the next generation is key to creating lasting environmental impact. It was wonderful to see so many young minds engaged, curious, and passionate about the role they can play in protecting marine life. Together, we can empower future ocean guardians and build a more sustainable future for our seas.